Oh, that will be good. TP to you. Yeah, that is the worst way out because technically, I don't like it. I might
By
die
the
in the
way, my
process.
room is right here.
Okay,
Right here.
okay. So, you wanna dig an entrance there? Where I'm getting shot at? I'm dead. No, 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 no. Wait, 2.5 hearts of damage. How many damage do you take?
3 to 4 hearts.
Okay, so armor do protect. Good to know.
No, I am wearing armor. That's the thing.
Oh, my armor is almost broken.
My chestplate and my leggings might as well be broken.
Damn, day 20 is not over yet.
Alright, bye.
Better help. Dolphin, this time please help me. Chase after Aaron.
Bye.
Seriously.
Okay, you can have the boat. Dolphin, come here. You majestic creature. Let's go.
Where you? Oh, okay. Back to the boat.
Let's go, you majestic creature.
Apparently, day 21 has not arrived yet. Why am I so excited by the day? Because you know the local difficulties.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Dolphin.
Okay, day 21 just hit. Wow, amazing.
Alright, time to kill the dolphin.
What? No. What? Oh, okay. The boat just teleported here.
No, it didn't. It's like the boat's actually gone.
Oh yeah. Actually gone.
Yo, guess what? I'm gonna destroy the boat.
I'm not gonna destroy the damn boat. You are not gonna do that! You are not sinking the damn boat.
Yes, I am.
Oh shit, I'm sinking this time.
No, get away from me.
I'm gonna catch ya. Maybe. Oh shit, I need to get on the boat and renew the damn server.
You can get in the smaller boat.
What? Actually, technically, I do not need a boat. I got dolphins and this damn amazing
Kill the
trident.
dolphin. Where's the dolphin?
I got this damn amazing trident as well.
Yeah, I bet you still can't beat me with that trident.
It's the Trident of Poseidon.
Come on, fight me then. You can't beat me with the
The
trident.
trident has the power of Poseidon. Wielding this trident will give you godly powers. Yes, this trident is the power of Poseidon.
Fine, try to kill me then with that trident. Do it. Do it then. Go on. I'm not impressed.
All right.
Huh? I'm not impressed.
How you not? Oh crap. Goodbye.
What the fuck?
Goodbye.
What did you enchant that with?
Goodbye. What? I did not enchant anything with it. It's the Poseidon trident.
Right here. Get out of my boat! Kill him! Okay, now we continue our fight.
Goodbye. Can't catch me now.
Okay then. Wait, one sec, give me a moment.
What are you trying to do?
You spawned that in, didn't you?
No, I did not spawn that in. It's in the chest. It's in the chest in the damn.
Okay, what
Treasure
enchantments do it have then?
Fine. It have sharpness 8, not bad 5, looting 5, riptide 10, impuding 10.
Cheating.
I like to use the riptide for traveling. No need a damn boat. Well, it's not cheating technically, it will break over time. The more time I use it, it will break. Amazing. What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just...
Hoi! You want this trident? Do you want it? You broke my armor. You actually broke it. Come here.
What was that?
Riptide 10 doesn't do much.
You're feeling pretty badly.
Riptide 10 doesn't do much. Riptide. Oh damn!
What? It can knock back. It can knock through the shield. Okay, you're okay. Really now?
Oh really now? Can it actually knock through the shield?
It can't do damage. It can't do damage to me when I'm underwater.
Really?
Haha.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come on! Oh, spoke too soon. I'm actually eating the dry kelp pretty fast. Ouch! Okay, stop fighting each other. I'm running. I'm
Okay.
actually running.
Yeah, get out of my house.
Yeah, oh house.
That would be nice
What?
if we could make gold doors. You know, considering these guys drop gold. Anyways, there is, you know, what's the main reason why I wanted make a garden temple as my base?
Why?
Okay, how much stone do we have?
I do not need stem trident. You can have it.
No, you can have it.
You need this trident. Anyway, it's about to break.
Which stone do we have?
I
Okay, by
can't
the way,
believe the new trident almost break.
by the way, you can have the rest of the sponges.
I can have a golden apple to eat. Okay. I do give so much sponges, didn't I? And a totem of undying.
You can also have the.
And this insane trident, which I will not use it that much. Because it's considered too powerful. Impaling 10, it can basically 3-shot an Elder Guardian.
Because in my base, sorry, in my new base,
What?
I'm planning to make a mine that goes straight down so it can go underneath the earth.
Right.
So that you can actually start mining.
Oh. Well, technically the damn Guardian temple is pretty close.
Exactly. But have you renewed?
Yeah, I did.
Are you sure?
Yep, I did. This goddamn trident is gonna get me killed someday.
Are you absolutely certain of that?
Yes.
I don't believe you.
Actually, when I'm testing this damn trident in the flatland world, I keep hitting the ground and dying of 4 damage.
You can die from 4 damage.
But because the impaling, the Riptide 10 launch you in the air like nothing, and then when you fall down, you know what happened. If I hit this boat or the sail, I'm dead. It actually doesn't launch you far when you're on water. In water, it doesn't launch you far. If you throw it up in the air, then it launches you way far. Can I new the boat? I'm gonna new it. Oh shit. Whoops. Whoops. Yeah, you do. Are you serious?
I gotta add insult to injury, okay?
Oh shit! I can't even shot boost the
No,
Riptide
wait, a bit
10.
move. Yeah, stay right there. You won't die.
Yeah, I can't even shot boost the Riptide 10, man. It's too powerful. You're not gonna push me.
I didn't try to push you off.
Alright. Technically, I didn't tell you that this trident also gives me armor.
Nice.
It gives me 10 armor. You know what? I should stop holding it. I technically now have like 3.5 armor bars, and when I hold it, it's like 8.5. It gives me 5 bars. So technically, just now I have diamond armor status before my chest plate broke, and I wonder who broke it.
Wonder. You tell me. I actually have no idea.
And actually, the wiki light, they said that armor can reach armor level 30.
By the way.
What?
What's the
What?
what's the base damage of a trident again?
9?
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it's not 10.
No. I put the trident in the chest.
You sure?
No, it is 9. I have a damn real trident here, which is almost broken right here. It's 9. It is 9. It is 9. Maybe I broke off code. Looting 5. What the hell did that do? Time to find out. Where's a drown? I want to impale a drown.
By all means, go ahead.
It can technically one-shot a damn drown.
Go ahead.
But there's no drown spotting. Oh, that I spoke too soon. Um.
Yo, I'm waiting.
Oh, it can't kill a drown because impaling is immune. Drowns are immune to impaling. God,
Nice.
I hate drowns. Only guardians are not. I can technically kill a dolphin one shot.
Do it then.
No, they are so cute.
That's
And-
all
and
the
that-
more reason. That's all the more reason to kill them.
Oh, really? Can I snipe one with... Oh, no, I cannot activate Riptide on the... You can actually throw the Trident on land. Because they have Riptide. It's so broken. You can only throw the Trident in water. Can I snipe that thing? Oh, I over-sniped it. Snipe it. Snipe that dolphin. Wait, is it a fish? Amazing, it's a fish. Oh, crap. Oh, I have hard time sniping the boat. I want to get on the boat. I can't get on the boat. Finally, I got on. Oh yeah, hi. What you doing?
Hi. Nothing. Why do I have a trident in my hand? What have you done?
I gave you a Trident. So you can see the base damage. You want to see a base damage of this?
Nope.
It's actually 8. Plus 8 damage.
It's actually 9.
Yeah, plus 8 and then plus your fist. So it's basically a normal Trident. But with sharpness 8 on it. Oh my god.
Nice. You're recording, aren't you?
Yeah,
Oh,
I can end it now.
why not?